Ladies and gents, look up there, coming in from your right is Susie Scott, the wing walker. Give her a big wave up there. Back to the barnstorming days. Has the one big tank down that line. This line for the flying today has got what James got and Steve Skilling. Now both of these guys have had so much experience in so many fights. They really are guys who are at the top of their game. They've been reading the book from past, obviously. And you know, when they go on, there's nobody else that jumps through it that can show them what to do. They have to have that beyond the money. Absolutely, and just to see that aeroplane taxiing out there, it's like out of 633 squadron.
Oh, it's amazing. It's surreal. Dave has such a variety of types that he finds in an Olive. He does a spectacular Tiger Moth falling leaf demo. Yeah, then he's quite happy in his Hunter jet. He owns one of those because doesn't everybody?
And he's so unassuming for the guy.
Yeah.